At the end of the part 1 of how to use implicit intent in Android, we were able to search a location or open a link in our application. In today's video, we are going to implement sharing a bit of text in a text edit using the ShareCompat.IntentBuilder class. Android provides the ShareCompat.IntentBuilder helper class to make implementing sharing easy. You can use the ShareCompat.IntentBuilder to build an intent and launch a chooser to let the user choose the destination app for sharing. So let's start it. Create a private variable to hold the edit text. Use findView by ID. Now add some code to shareText method. Create a string. Define the MIME type of the text to share. Use ShareCompat.IntentBuilder. Use the following methods from this. .setType. .setChooser title. Share this text with .setText. .start chooser. Now let's run the application. On clicking this button, Android will give some option to let the user choose an option. Beautiful. Now let's add functionality to this button to take a photo. This one is pretty simple. Use an intent. Add Android .media .action .image underscore capture. Now if intent resolve activity get package manager is not null, then start activity. Else now let's run the application again. Now we can take photos by clicking on this button. So this was all for today. Thank you very much for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.